Welcome to this incredible program, this journey into your dust allergies. So you're sitting there and you probably have some form of allergy, whether it's a sneezing, whether it's a blocked nose, itchy eyes. Don't worry, I've experienced it all. I'm currently a detoxification specialist. I work specifically with the subconscious mind and rewiring the subconscious mind. And I've journeyed into my own health and I've helped hundreds of others with their health. And this topic is absolutely dear to my heart. I had severe allergies 8 years ago for probably 3.5, 4 years of my life. I was sleeping over 12 hours every night, plus an hour or two every single day. As well as this, I was constantly blocked in my nose. I was sneezing whenever I'd go home. My family members would make jokes like, "Oh, Charlie's home, here he is," because I'd just be sneezing and sneezing. And I thought that was all I could do. I thought that was my life. I literally thought, well, there's nothing I could do. I had nasal sprays, I was popping pills, I was getting injections, and everything changed. Everything changed when I said enough is enough. And I started looking into more natural ways. Started looking into why this is happening to me and not my friend. There must be some difference here. And that's what I'm excited to share with you over this journey. Why this is possibly showing up in your life, and what are some natural ways for you to redirect, rebalance your system so the symptom of allergies may actually diminish and you may actually experience a much greater health, greater vitality. And if you balance your body, there's no reason for you to experience allergies. And that's what I'm excited to share with you on this journey. So come with me over to the next slide and I'll see you there.